Yes, everyone, welcome back. The chapter name is called as Permutations and Combination. If you ask me, the exact name of the chapter is Basics of Permutation and Combination. Basics. They are only talking about the very basic thing, and we are only studying the basic thing. It is not complicated at all. It's one of the easiest chapter to study, because all the time there will be a certain set of questions. They will always ask with respect to those certain set of questions. So let us address one by one. What is permutation? What is combination? We will address one by one. Now people, where are we using this? Any idea? Day-to-day application, anything is there? Seating arrangement. Yes, that is a day-to-day application. Yeah, I'll tell you how it becomes day-to-day application. For example, our red boy is there. Then our blue boy is there. Two people are there. So there is two vacant seats, correct? Two vacant seats are there. Now people, how many ways they can sit will be a question. If you ask me, that is not a day-to-day application level question. Like how many ways people can sit in two seats and all. Now if you ask me, either they can sit like this, one way, or they can sit like this, second way. That means how many ways they can sit in two seats? The two ways. Okay. Now people, that is one thing. How many ways a certain set of things can be arranged? How many ways a certain letters can be arranged? All these things will come under this. Now people, what if it is like this? There are 25 cricketers to be selected for a game. 25 cricketers should be selected for a team. Now, from that I should select 11 people for the playing 11, whoever is going to play the game. Now people, how many ways this selection can be done can be a question. That time also we will use the concept of either permutation or combination. You will understand in few minutes. So basically, what is the usage of this? If you ask me day-to-day application wise, we don't have much usage and all, but we can say that oh, these many people are there, these many chairs are there, how many ways I can arrange them, how many different ways I can arrange them. Then these many students are there, I want to choose two people, how many ways I can choose. All the things will be learning over here. That is the basic thing. Now I want to ask some question to you directly. Now people, is it possible to select an apple from a bunch of oranges? Is it possible? Will you be able to select apple from oranges? No. It is not possible. Keep it in your mind. So what is not possible? Selection of a certain thing from another thing is not possible. Selection is only possible from where? From the same thing. Okay. I want to select a CA Foundation student. Can I go to CMA Foundation class and select? No. I can only select from where? CA Foundation class. Keep it in your mind. It will be there in the future. Now we will talk about the basics. Why I kept it over here? Because after finishing this chapter, what I have heard, so when I go on YouTube live or whatever the students usually ask me is, sir, what is the difference between permutation and combination? They will study everything. They know the formula for permutation, they know the formula for combination, all the concept, everything they know. At the end of the day, if they get a question, they will not be able to understand whether the question should be answered with permutation or with combination. That is the basic doubt. Everyone has that doubt. Maybe if you have studied permutation combination previously, you will also definitely have that doubt at one point, or maybe now also. Basic difference is this doubt. Arrangement of items. So I am telling you, I want to arrange students in this classroom into 5 different seats or chairs. So what can I do? I will do permutation. I can find the number of ways using what? Permutation. Now people, I want to select 2 people from this classroom. How many ways I can select? I will use the concept of combination to find the number of ways. Are you understanding people? Arranging means we will take the people and we will arrange them. Arranging means what? Permutation. Selection. I will say, I can select him, I can select her. Likewise, selection means the number of ways of selection can be coming under what? Combination. Now what if I select? Okay, selection is using what? The combination, concept of combination. Then I want to arrange you guys.
That means we will use the concept of combination and permutation at the same time. Keep it in your mind. Okay. So what is permutation, people? Permutation is arrangement of items, while combination is selection of item. Very, very, very important. One basic thing. Many people still have doubt if you have studied this. Got it, people? So people, I'm telling you a question. Chennai Super Kings team is there. 30 people already in auction and all, they bought 30 players are already there. At the end of the day, they want to select 11 people. How many ways it will be done? Conceptually you can tell me, not the formula and all. Which one? Will you use permutation or combination? Combination. Why? We are selecting them. Then my next question to everyone. After selecting the 11 people, right? Okay, done. Erase the concept of combination. Done. We selected 11 people. There are 11 seating places, right? They need to sit in their seating places, something like that. 11 people are there, 11 seats are there. We need to arrange them. What concept? Permutation. So that is the basic difference, people. In the future, you might see this, and whenever you read a question from permutation or combination, try to understand whether it is based on arrangement or selection. Selection will have another word, choosing. I want to choose. Arrangement can also be used by another name, distributing. That is also possible. Okay, keep these words in your mind and we will go further forward. Now first thing, people, everyone, have you heard about factorial? Factorial பத்தி கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கா? Yes, what is factorial? Factorial is nothing but we will take the product till that value. For example, 1 factorial is usually 1, but I will not write anything. Let it be like 1. I will tell you after some times. 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1. 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1. Now 4 factorial is what? You tell me. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 factorial is how much, people? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then people, 6 factorial. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Finally 7 factorial, 8 factorial. Everything is what? Just the product of all the things. Are you getting my point? Where numbers till that value, or from that value we will multiply it in the decreasing order till what? 1. Now my question to everyone. 2 into 1 is how much? 2. So some values are also there for it. We need to remember this values. All the values are important. The reason for remembering the value is, in the future there will be questions directly based on the values. That time we need to know the values. Now people, we know that 1 factorial is how much? 1. 2 factorial is 2 into 1. That is how much? 2. 3 factorial is how much? 3 into 2 into 1 is how much? 3 into 2 is 6. That is 6. 4 factorial is 24. 5 factorial is how much? 120. 6 factorial is 720. 7 factorial is 5040, and 8 factorial is 40320. Now people, if you ask me, you should remember till here. I'll tell you why in few seconds. Okay. So 2 factorial is how much? 3 factorial is how much? 6. 4 factorial is how much? 24. 5 factorial is how much? 120. 6 factorial is how much? 720. 8 factorial is how much? 40320. I asked 8 factorial. Okay. Now, there is another way. If you look here carefully, can I say that this 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into, this is what? This value is what? Can I write it as 3 into 2 factorial? Is it correct? Yeah, it is 3 into 2 factorial. Similarly, can I say 4 factorial is nothing but what? 4 into 3 factorial. Similarly, 5 factorial will be what? 5 into 4 factorial. 6 factorial will be what? 6 into 6 into 5 factorial. Then 7 factorial will be what? 7 into 6 factorial. 8 factorial will be what? 8 into 7 factorial. Now people, even if you forgot some of the value, you can remember it this way. Whatever value you have, take your calculator, accordingly multiply. Then you will ask the question, so we already have the calculator. We can just take the multiplication of everything, right? You can do that, but it will take a lot of time. You will lose time. We don't have time. At the end of the day, examination, what we don't have? We don't have time. Time will be running so fast. We will not know about that, because even in the 8 marks test, you know, right, how fast the time is going. Think about with pressure. Time will not stop for you. Okay, keep it in your mind always. Have you noticed this when you are traveling in highways and all? So when you are just stopping, the car will be, or opposite car or the other car which is going in your other side, they will be going very fast. Then when you also speed up, automatically you will feel like what? That car is also slow. Correct? When you are running, both the cars are running, you will feel like, both the cars are going slow. What is the reason? That is called as relative motion. If you are fast, the time also will be what? Slowing down for you. Otherwise, the time will not slow down for you. You will feel like the time slow downs if you practice a lot and go for the exam. Keep it in your mind. So for all those things, these things are required. Now, what if they ask you 11 factorial? 11 factorial. What is the highest factorial you know? 8 factorial. So can I write it like this? 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. So you know the value of 8 factorial. 8 factorial is how much now? 4032 0. So you can directly put that value then into 9, into 10, into 11. Take your calculator along with it so that we will solve some random values. Take your calculator. Everyone has calculator? If anyone doesn't have, I'll give the calculator. Fine with me. Yeah.
3 4
How much is the answer?
3 crore 99 lakh 16,000.
Okay, starting with 3, some big value, correct? Yes. Now, what if they ask for 10 factorial? How will you write it? 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. 8 factorial is how much? 40320. So, how much is the answer? Online, everyone is getting it.
36 lakh 88,000.
36 something, you are getting it. Fine. Now, this is the importance of remembering the values. It will save your time. You might feel like in your school and all, what you have done is, I'll tell you, you will cancel things. For example, 4 factorial and 3 factorial where they're in the denominator, you will take this 4 factorial as what? 4 into 3 factorial, then you will cancel. Here we will not do that. Here 4 factorial is how much now? 24 divided by what? 6. We will randomly put the values and use calculator. Okay, we will not go for correction and all. We will just put the values and go for the answer. That is our approach. Okay, yes. If the other approach is wrong, no, that is also correct. Our approach is what? We will put the values, get the answer. Everyone understood? Akshaya, Bhavdharani, Nihita, Pujita, Sindhu, Saumya, Sukrita, Trisha. Everyone understood this basics? Pakka? Anyone has doubt? Right away ask me. I'll give more examples. Now people, random question time. 1 factorial is how much?
1
2 factorial is how much? 10 factorial is how much? 10 factorial, you will write it as what? 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. Now my question is 8 factorial is how much? 40320. So you will put that value over here 40320 and use calculator to get the answer. Now then my next question. 7 factorial is how much? 5040. 6 factorial is how much? 720. So people, these basic factorials are very important. We will be using it throughout this chapter. Okay. Now, you know him. Yeah, he's called as Doctor Strange. If you have watched the movie Avengers Infinity War, he would have said, oh, there is these many, out of these many possibilities, there is only one possibility of seeing everyone wins. Okay, so that is how he found that. He used the concept of permutation and combination. Then he used to find that, oh, these many ways are there. Just pause. Simple math he used over there. Now we will get me the answer. Everyone have a look over here. Now we will n factorial divided by 10 is equal to n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 minus n plus 3. Now people, if you ask me, can I rewrite it this way? Everyone do it along with me. N factorial divided by 10 is equal to n minus 1 factorial divided by, people, n and minus n will get cancelled. Minus 1 and plus 3 will get cancelled. What will remain in the denominator? 2 everyone got it as 2? Everyone got it as 2? Pakka? Yes. Divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial is how much, people? 2 factorial is how much? 2 itself. So now, option hit. Option hit for me and get the answer. There is no solving in using the conventional method and all. We will never go there. Okay. The easiest method is option hitting. Everyone try. I will give you the time, then I will solve with you because this is a basic thing and you should be able to get it.
5.
5, Is it? Everyone got it as 5? We will check. Now people, everyone online, please try. Option hit using one by one option I'll do. Using option A. Option A. LHS is how much, doc? We also know that LHS is equal to n factorial divided by 10. RHS is equal to what? N minus 1 factorial divided by 2. So LHS is equal to how much? That means n is equal to 4. 4 factorial divided by 10. Which is 4 factorial is how much? How much is the value of 4 factorial? 24. Divided by 10. How much is it? 22.4. RHS is how much? N minus 1. N minus 1 means 4 minus 1. That is 3 factorial divided by 2. 3 factorial is how much, done? 6. 6 divided by 2 is how much, people? 3. Is LHS and RHS equal? No, LHS is not equal to RHS. So which option is wrong? Option A is wrong. Okay. Now the next one. Try which option, people? Try option B. Try option B. Now if you are trying option B, how it will look like? LHS is equal to 5 factorial divided by 10. 5 factorial is how much, people? 120 divided by 10 is how much? 12. Then RHS is how much, people? That is 5 minus 1 factorial. That is how much? 4 factorial divided by 2. Why 2? Because 2 factorial is 2. 24 divided by 2, which is equal to how much? 12. So LHS is equal to RHS in which option, people? Option B. Understood the method? Anyone is having doubt? Right away ask me. Pakka? Yes. I hope that everyone understood factorial because some question, 1 or 2 times, these are the 2 times they ask question based on basic factorial. They can ask. Okay. Sindhu right answer, Nihida right answer, Bhavdharni you got it, Pujita, Akshaya, Saumya, Sugrada, Trisha, everyone, are you guys getting it? Yes. And one more thing, if any doubt at any point, always come and ask me. I mean, not during the class time, that anyway people are asking, but after the class also, if any doubt is there, I'll be available. Okay. But on phone might be little difficult, but whenever I am here, right, after our class is done, you can text me in WhatsApp itself. I'll clear the doubt for you. I'll write and send it back to you. But if I am here, if any doubt is there during the time of the learning curve itself, you get it cleared so that you will not have any doubt going forward. Keep it in your mind. Online students, you can ask any time. That's completely fine. Okay. Keep it in your mind because it will help you out. Next one, people. What is given? The value of n in 1 by 7 factorial plus 1 by 8 factorial is equal to how much, da? N. How to find this? Anyone, any idea? What is the easiest way of finding it?
Option A.
Yes, correct answer. What is the easiest way of finding it? Can I write n is equal to? One is option hitting method. Yes, correct. One is option hitting method, or I can write it as n is equal to, if I cross multiply, it will be what, the 9 factorial into 1 by 7 factorial plus 1 by 8 factorial. What is this 9 factorial? Can I write it as 9 into 8 factorial into 1 by 7 factorial plus 1 by 8 factorial. Now we will use calculator. Okay, I will just write the values for you. 9 into 40320 into 1 by, what is the value of 7 factorial, everyone? 5040 plus What is the value of 8 factorial everyone? 40320. Just to use calculator, get me the answer.
80.999.
Correct. That means what? 80.9999 means what? 81. Okay. Now, how to use calculator? I'll show you over here. First, find the values inside the bracket because we need to add things, then multiply because it is inside the bracket. 1 divided by 5040 m plus 1 divided by 40320 m plus. Once you done that, you will click what? MRC. Multiply it with 9, multiply it with 40320. How much are you getting, people? 80.999? Yes. Are you getting it as 81? Everyone, please try. Someone is not getting, also tell me. Everyone got it? Livika got it? Yes. Kale, you got it? Yes. Jayasree, Purnasree, both of you got it? Yes. Sudarshan, Bhuvanesh, both of you got it? Ayush, Dinesh? Yes. Over here, Darshana, you got it? Yes. Sakshini, you got it? Yes, Pravalika? Yes, Remati? Yeah. Vishwasree, everyone got it. Perfect. Now, online, edit out in this type of question, please ask me right away. Now, what if the question is given like this? N is equal to 1 divided by 8 factorial plus 8 divided by 9 factorial plus 10 divided by 11 factorial plus 13 divided by 5 factorial plus 8 factorial. How to find the answer for this? What is the easiest way? We will just make some rearrangements so our mathematics become much more faster. So 1 by 8 factorial is how much da? 40320 plus 8 divided by 9 factorial is how much da? Can I write it as 9 into 40320 plus 10 divided by 11 factorial is nothing but 10 divided by 11 into 10 into 9 into 40320 plus 13 divided by 5 factorial is how much? 120 plus finally 40320. How to use calculator? Everyone, do it along with me. What is first one? 1 divided by 40320. Click which button? M plus button. Click which button? M plus. Then 8 divided by 9 divided by 40320. Then you will click which button? M plus button. Then 10 divided by 11 divided by 10 divided by 9 divided by 40320. Then you will click which button, people? M plus button. Pujita, 81 is the answer. Did you get 81? Or 80.9999? Then 13 divided by 120 M plus. Finally what, people? 40320. You will click what? M plus. So what is the answer, people? MRC. 40320.108, something like that. Everyone got the method? Understood the approach? Yes. Fine. So whatever may be the value, just substitute it. Then you can ask me questions like this. Sir, I could have cancelled this 10 and 10. I could have cancelled this 8 and 1 8 in the 8 factorial and all. I could have done that. Why didn't I do? Is it going to change our answer? No. Anyway, in calculator we are going to do, right? Right now you might be writing. Maybe in the future you will not write also. You will be just writing typing the values in calculator. That's why I am showing you this way itself. Once you become a pro, everything will change, people. Keep it in your mind. Next question. Five factorial divided by 6 factorial plus 10 factorial divided by 9 factorial plus 12 factorial divided by 11 factorial. Here, rather than we don't know the correct value of 10 factorial, we don't know the correct value of 12 factorial. So what will be the easiest method? So 5 factorial we know, just write it. 120 divided by 720, that's fine because we know the value. Plus 10 factorial, how will you write that? 10 into 9 factorial divided by 9 factorial plus 12 into 11 factorial divided by what? 11 factorial. 9 factorial, then 9 factorial cancel. 11 factorial cancel. Now then you can just use the calculator and get the answer, right? please use the calculator. So how will you use it? 120 divided by 720. 120 divided by 720 plus 10 plus 12. How much is the answer?
22.16.
22.166. Okay. I hope everyone understood this. So these are the type of question, and if you ask me, they will not ask this complicated calculations also. But what if they ask? That time you should not be having a trouble. Okay, keep it in your mind. Done now? Can we go for the first concept? This is not a concept, it is a base. Base for all the things, whatever we are going to do now. Everyone ready? Online? First one, people, permutation. Permutation is called as arrangement of n items taken r at a time. What do you mean by that? Arrangement of n items taken r at a time. I told you previously, if there are 11 people, I want to arrange them in 5 places. So I will say that there are 5 people. I want to arrange them in what? 11 places. What is the easiest way? We will find the permutation and find the number of arrangements. Now, if you listen carefully, there is a formula for finding the number of ways. Actually, this NPR is nothing but what? Number of ways of arrangement. Make a note of it. NPR is nothing but number of ways of arrangement. That is given by a formula. N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. What is the formula? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. The funniest part is we will not use this formula. Happier? Yes. We will not use this formula. We will use our method, shortcut method. Shortcut is actually derived from the formula. I'll tell you how is it derived also. Everyone, along with me, please write 5p2. Okay, we need to arrange 5 items in 2 seats. How many ways it can be done is the question. Okay, 5p2. What is the formula? 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 factorial. That is how much done? 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 is how much? 3 factorial. If you ask me, can I write 5 factorial as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial? Can I cancel this? What is remaining? 5 into 4. So people, 5p2 is becoming 5 into 4. Now my next question. 7p2 will be what then? 7 into 6. 8p2 will be what then? 8 into 7. Then 10p2 will be what then? 10 into 9. What will be then 100p2? 100 into 99. What will be 1000p2? 1000 into 999. Now people, you tell me, is it a complicated thing? No. We will be use the formula? No. We will just be writing the number and how many times it is there. Okay. Now people, you told about P2 and all. What if it is P3? I'll use 10P3. Can anyone guess? It will be 10 into 9 into 3 numbers should be there. And it should be what? Starting with our n. 10 into 9 into 8. What if it is 12P4? 12 into 11 into 10 into 9. Done. The rest of it you should do it in calculator. That's completely up to you, not up to me. In calculator it should be. So I don't know how to multiply and all, don't say. Okay, you should take the calculator, directly multiply, you will get the answer. I hope everyone understood this. If this is done, actually we can start doing questions. Can we start? We are ready? Everyone is ready? Yes, online, everyone is ready for it? Please tell me, please confirm me, so that we will go for the first question. The question is over here. Find me the value of 13p4. Everyone, get me using calculator. Find me the value of 13p4. Yeah, how to do it? You will just write 13 into 12 into 11 into 10. Done. Just use calculator, nothing else. You will not even write also. You will just type it on calculator. How much you got it, people? 17,160. Okay. Then next question for you. What is 18p5? 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 into 14. How much is it? Yes, Neha.
160.
How much? 1 0. Tell me the numbers.
1,028,160.
Okay. Yes. Is this the answer? 1,028,160. Now the next question. What if the question is like this? Tell me a number.
56.
Okay. Tell me another number. Oh, okay. Fine. Do it. Completely up to you. You only told it. So how to do it? Mostly calculator will show error. Sometimes it will show error. 56 into 55 into that, then till 11 times. Yeah. Srimati got it for everyone. Okay. Yes. How much is it? Infinity. You are not getting the answer. That means it is becoming an error. Okay. That type of question can be there. I'll show you a question like that also in the future. That time how to approach also I'll teach you. Okay. Now some of the special cases. Till now I did not discuss something. If you notice, now look here. 8 factorial is there, right? Now this is the definition. None of them. So in the past, when we teach, usually students have a doubt. So 0 factorial is how much? 0 factorial is not 0. 0 factorial is 1. So why 0 factorial is 1? Okay, everyone will ask. Every student will be curious. Oh, I can ask some question to sir so that he will not say anything. He will say that, oh, in math is like that. So that in math, 0 factorial is 1. We will assume it. I'll show you a proof how 0 factorial is 1. Okay. 8 factorial is how much? 40320. Okay. So if you want to find 7 factorial from 8 factorial, what will you do? You will divide it with 8. So type on calculator. 40320 divided by 8 is how much? 5040. Yeah, obviously it should be. Now 6 factorial is how much? You will divide 5040 divided by 7. Sorry, 6 divided by 7. How much is it? 720. Correct. Now 720 divided by 6 is how much? 120. 120 divided by 5 is how much? 24 divided by 4 is how much? 6 divided by 3 is how much? 2 divided by 2 is how much? 1 divided by 1 is how much? That means 0 factorial will be equal to how much? 1. Okay, understood. This is the mathematical proof for it. For 0 factorial is equal to 1. But usually people will say, oh, in maths it is assumed that way. Okay, that is the usual way. But the thing is, 0 factorial is equal to 1. If some of your friends come and ask you how 0 factorial is 1, you can tell them this way. 8 factorial is this much. So this value divided by 8 will give me 7 factorial. This value divided by 7 will give me 6 factorial. 720 divided by 6 will give me 120, that is 5 factorial. 120 divided by 5 will give me 24. 24 divided by 4 will give me 6. Then 6 divided by 3 will give me 2. 2 divided by 2 will give me 1. 1 divided by 1 will give me what? 0 factorial, which is how much? 1. Okay. Now, next one. NPN. Make a note of it. For example, 5p, 5p5, 10p5, 10p10. All the values will be what? 5 factorial itself. Why is it becoming 5 factorial or n factorial? Can I say 5p5 is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 into 4 into 3 into 4, 2 into 1 is how much now? 5 factorial. That's why it is becoming what? 5 factorial. Okay people, 5p5 is equal to how much? 5 factorial. Then another important term, np0. For example, 10p0 is equal to how much? 1. Make a note of it. 10p0, 20p0, whatever number, np0 is equal to how much people? 1. That much is important. Rest of it is not important. Okay. Don't study this and all. Don't put too much effort to study that because questions based on that will not be there for exam. I kept it for the sake of keeping it. But this is important. NPN is how much? N factorial. Now my question, 20p20 is how much? 20 factorial. Then 30p30 is how much? 30 factorial. 100p100 is how much? 100 factorial. Now people, 1 lakh. P0 is how much? 1. 10,000 P0 is how much? 1. 10 P0 is how much? 1. N P0 is how much? 1. Okay. If so, inga parungo. Answer edavadhu irundal kodingo. You can do it, people. Let's try. Will you go and sit and solve all the things? No. You will do what? Option hit. Option hit. You should get 72. Correct. You should get 72. Which option is giving you 72? RHS is equal to 72. LHS is equal to NP2. Everyone try. Option A. Check again. Option A will be what? That means 12P2 it will become option A. That means 12 into 11. 12 into 11 is how much? 132, which is not equal to 72. Option A is wrong. Option D, yeah, we will check. That is how much? 9P2, which is equal to 9 into 8, which is equal to how much? 72, which is equal to our what? RHS. So which option is the answer, people? Option D is your answer. I hope that everyone understood this. Got it, people? They will ask just like this. These are basic things. I told you all the time. 60 easy questions will always be there. Okay, keep it in your mind. No matter what, even though you are telling the sir the paper was very difficult, you will say that after some time. The reason is only because you will not study everything. If you study everything, you will get that 60 easy question. Because think about it, you only studied whatever we have studied till now. We studied for 50 marks. Yesterday we completed 50 marks. Completely it is done. All the chapters. Now think about it. That 60 easy and 40 difficulty questions are there, right? What if the 40 difficult questions came from those topics? You will feel like, exam is difficult. You never studied permutation. If you never studied permutation, you will not know whether it is a easy question or a difficult question. NB2 is equal to 72. What is NB2 and all? You will think. So that's the problem. You should study everything so that you will get the 60 question, whatever may be the case, whatever may be the chapter, you will be able to answer that 60 question and you will be able to pass, even though the paper is difficult. Why difficult? Because you study it that way. That's why it is difficult. Otherwise, always the difficulty level is same. Now you might say, some people will say, sir, in May attempt, I have heard a rumor that May attempt is difficult. Have you heard about that? September attempt is difficult. Jan is always easy. What is the reason for that? The reason is very simple. Now, PU exam got over. 12th exam got over. So usually what happens is, 12th exam means after 12th, how many students are there? Lakhs and lakhs of students are there from commerce itself. So what happens is, now think about it. They studied something else. Because of parental pressure, without even preparing, they will go and write CA Foundation exam. Now you tell me, will the result go up or down? Down. That is the basic reason. Now, 2nd September, many people will join college that time. Without proper preparation, they will go and write September attempt. Will they pass? No. That's the two reasons why May and September result is like this. Not because, exam is difficult and all. Not the reason for that. Jan attempt, what happens is everyone will be well prepared. Why? College is done. Semester will only happen after Jan. So everyone is prepared for everything. And even the PU students who cleared, they will be studying for 6 months and they will be going for what? Jan attempt. That is the reason they are telling Jan is easy. Other than that, nothing is there. It's completely up to us how we perceive. So sit and study, it will be easy for you. That's the only thing I can say every day. Now we will. Next question. Yes. என்னது என்ன கொடுத்திருக்க இங்க? NP3. I will write NP3 is 2 means what? A division. Divide by N plus 1 P12 is equal to how much, people? 3 divided by 4. Yeah. NP13 divided by N plus 1 P12 is equal to how much, people? 3 by 4. You tell me what is RHS? 3 by 4. A decimal, you tell me. 0.75. Now we need to option hit so that we will get 0.75 in LHS. Okay, there is not solving, no solving in the normal method like we used to solve in school and all. We will not solve it like that over here. It is not important for us. We will use what? Option hitting. One by one option we can check. Now, first option I will not take because 13p3, 13 will become what? Usually it will be 13 factorial, but sometimes it cannot be the answer. But if you want to try, you can try. Or you check with the, always don't go for the same thing. N and R starting together, don't go for that initially itself. Go towards the second or the third time. Okay, not towards the first time. Try second option, 15. We will check with 15. 15p13 divided by 15 plus 1 is how much, da? 16p12. Okay, this is the formula. Either you can write all the values and cancel things off, or you can ace the formula. Whatever is completely fine for you, you write it. 15p13 is how much, da? 15 into 14 into 13, completely up to you. Into 12 into etc till what it will be there, da? Into final number will be what? 3, I guess, correct? 2 and 1 will not be there, final number will be 3. Now, similarly, 16p12 will be what? 16 into 15 into 14 into 13 into etc till what number it will be there? Till 5 it will be there. Huh? Yes, 5. Till what number it will be there? 4 or 5? 4. Huh? Okay, till 4. Now, that means into 3 into 4. Now, what all things are getting cancelled off? 15 into 14 into etc till 3 is getting cancelled off. Similarly, 15 into 14 into etc is getting cancelled off. What is remaining? 1 divided by 16 into 4. That is remaining. How much is the answer? Is that the answer? Yeah. Then which option is giving you the answer? Try the option accordingly. Or one more thing I can do, rather than just putting it this way. Maybe the other one will give you more clarity. How will you write 15p3 in terms of formula? NPR is how much? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So 15p3 can be written as what, people? 15 factorial divided by 15 minus 13 factorial divided by 16 factorial can be written as what, people? 16p12 can be 16 factorial divided by 16 minus 12 factorial. So that is nothing but 15 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Then divide by 16 factorial divided by 4 factorial. Now you tell me accordingly. Which will be what? 15 factorial divided by 3 factorial into. You remember from your basic class? Division, when we take the inverse, it will become what? Multiplication. So this will become into 4 factorial divided by 16 factorial. From this we will cancel things. Okay. So how to cancel things, you tell me. 15 factorial. 16 factorial, can I write it as 16 into 15 factorial? Now 4 factorial, can I write it as 4 into 3 factorial? Now this cancel. Then what is remaining? This cancel. What is remaining, people? 4 divided by 16. How much is the answer? The same answer whatever we got. Now, is it the option? Correct answer? No. Which option is the right answer? Try option B. Sorry, try option C. Everyone try option C. Trying option C. That is how much? 18p13 divided by 18 plus 1 is how much? 19p what? 12. Try. Please try it for me. Did we do anything wrong? No, right? Oh, we made a mistake. What is the mistake we made? This is the answer itself. Correct. 15 minus 13 is how much, people? 2 factorial. Okay. Then we are going for the answer. 16. That is becoming what? 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Okay. 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial is how much? 24 divided by 32, which is equal to how much? 0.75. Yes, we made a mistake last time and this time. Which option is the answer? Option B is your answer. Any doubt in this, people? So don't do the silly mistakes. Go with, when the question is like this, either you can count and write or don't write. Because the last time when we count and write all the values, we didn't count it, we randomly wrote it. Yes, we didn't know the last number. If you wrote it properly, it would have been correct. Now I will repeat it. One person is asking for it. We will repeat the entire thing again. So everyone understood LHS is this much? LHS. We are trying which option? Option head using which option? The option B. 15p13 divided by 16p12. Now we know that NPR is equal to what, people? N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. That means 15p13 will become what? 15 factorial divided by 15 minus 13 factorial. Then people, divided with 16 factorial, or I will write it over here. 16p12 is how much? 16 factorial divided by 16 minus 12 factorial. Now, how will you rearrange and write? 15 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Divide with what? 16 factorial divided by 4 factorial. Now, people, when division we want to take the inverse. How can you do that? 15 factorial divided by 2 factorial. It will become what? Multiplied with what? 4 factorial divided by 16 factorial. Now, 16 factorial, how will you rearrange? Because we can cancel it. 15 factorial divided by 2 into 4 factorial is how much? 24 divided by 16 into 15 factorial. From that 15 factorial cancelled off. What is remaining, people? 24 divided by 2 then into 16. Take your calculator. 24 divided by 2 divided by 16 is how much, people? 0.75. Which option is the answer? Option B is the answer, which is equal to our RHS. That means LHS is equal to RHS. That is the meaning. I hope that you understood. Is it clear for everyone? Yes. Now basic maths are there. Now similar question is there in the workbook also. Few more questions like this is there in the workbook. Just like this. Direct question, direct approach. It's very easy to get it. Okay. Now, what if, people? I'm asking you randomly a question. They have given like NP5 divided by N plus 10P6, which is equal to some 1.2. Which method you will use? Option hitting. So whenever they ask for N value, will you sit and try to get the answer? No. We will use what? We will use the option. We will put the option there. We will cancel things. Using our calculator, we will get the answer. Okay. That is one approach, or the basic approach, which will help you out to get the marks. Okay. Pakka, everyone is clear with that? Anyone is having doubt over that? You can tell me that also. Can we go further ahead? Now we are going for our basic conditions. Online, everyone. Nihida, Bhavdarni, Pujita, Shruti, Saumya, Sugrita, Trisha, Akshaya. Everyone, are you getting it? Yes. Shruti, you know the basics, right? Because I think you came little late. Yes. Perfect. Now we are going for the chapter. Till now we didn't start the chapter. Most of the question will be based on whatever we are going to learn now. Okay. I will start off with a name. Can anyone tell me a name? Solunga. Name Solunga. No, sir. I will not say the name. Okay, one person said one name. Okay. First, I will use one name, then I will come over there. Okay. I will use a name called as Dev. Okay. Dev. Why I choose the name Dev also? If you want to put it as Devi, you can put it as Devi. Okay. Devi is there. So, four letters are there. Then I will come to your question, Pujita. Devi. In this word, how many letters are there? 4 letters. Now, we need to, question will be like this. How many new words with or without meaning? What is the question? How many new words with or without meaning can be formed from the letters of the word Devi? Okay, how many letters are there? 4 letters. Now people, how many vacant places are there so that we can arrange the letters? 4 vacant places are there. Now if you ask me, if I want to arrange 4 letters in 4 places, what is the way? 4P4. So how many letters are there in total, people? 4 letters are there, and I can form what? A 4 letter word. That means 4P4 is the arrangement. Number of ways of arrangement will be what? 4 factorial, which is equal to how much, people? So 24 new words can be formed from the letters of the word Devi. Okay. Now, in order to make that clear, for example, it will be like DEVI is one option. Then IEVT is one option. Likewise, different options are there. Likewise, in total, how many are there? 24 are there. In order to confirm it for you, how many new words can be formed from the letters of the word add? We know that add is there, then DA is there, da is there. Only 2 words are there. So how to find that? 2 vacant places are there. That means 2 letters are there. 2P2. 2P2 is how much, people? 2 factorial. 2 factorial is how much? 2. So it is proved. Whatever may be the case, it can be proved just using this method. Now people, another one. Tell me another name. Without any repetition. The letters should not repeat. That is the only condition I want now. Think about your name. Is there any repetition? Okay, Ravi is there. Yes, Ravi. 4 letters are there. Okay, 4 letters are there in total. How many new words can be formed? 4P4, which is equal to how much now? 24 new words including it. Okay, then some other name.
Yes, sir.
SRI. Yes, 3 letters are there. That means 3P3 or what? 3 factorial or 6. So in general, people, going forward, what I will do is, if 4 letter word is there, using that I want to form how many arrangement, I will just write 4 factorial. If 10 letter word is there, I will write what? 10 factorial. Number of new words will be what? 10 factorial. Number of new words are there. For example, I am taking the word also. How many letters are there? 4. That means 4 factorial. 4 factorial number of words can be formed using the letters of the word also. You. How many can? 3 factorial. Can. 3 factorial. Then 4 factorial. Can. 3 factorial. They. 4 factorial. If. 2 factorial. Then. Here any repetition is there? Repetition is there. I'll come back to that. Here also repetition is there. Here. QA by how many letters? 4 letters. 4 factorial. Are you getting the point, people? Understanding it? So in the future you will get a question like this. Using the letters of the word, for example, Karthi. Karthi. Okay. Using the letters of the word Karthi, how many unique words can be formed will be the question. Now this is how much up? 3, 6 unique. That means what? 6 factorial. Only 6 words are there, right? 6 letters are there. So it is what? 6 factorial. So that is one type of question. Now, what if repetition is there? What if repetition is there? If repetition is there, you should be happy that you know the basics. Now, one person told a word Tommy. Yes, Tommy is there. How many letters are there in Tommy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write what? 5 factorial. But how many letters are repeated? M is repeated how many times? So divided by 2 factorial. That many number of words can be formed. Are you getting my point, people? Pujada, you got it? Now we will come back over here. Pass. Pass means what? How many letters are there? 4 letters are there. So you will write 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Okay. S is repeated 2 times. Now come back to where Krishnan. How many letters are repeated? N is repeated how many times? 2 times. So how many letters are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Now over here, Nithin, how many letters are there in total? 6 letters are there in total. So 6 factorial divided by, people, n is repeated 2 times. So divided by 2 factorial, I is repeated 2 times, divided by 2 factorial. I hope that you understood this. Now we will take names. Tell me the names. Randomly you tell me a name. Telugu, Janani. Yes. Janani. How many letters are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. A is repeated 2 times. N is repeated 2 times. Very direct, if you ask me. Whatever may be the question, now you are able to answer. If the question is like complicated name, for example, we are using the word mathematics. Mathematics spelling is what, people? Okay, mathematics. Correct. Now, how many new words can be, how many words can be formed using the letters of the word mathematics? Okay, that is the question. Now, how many are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 factorial divided by m is repeated how many times? 2 times. A is repeated how many times? 2 times. T is repeated how many times? 2 times. Anything else is repeated, people? Nothing, right? So tell me the answer. 11 factorial divided by 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. How will you write 11 factorial? You will write it like this. 11 into 10 into 9 into what? Into what? 40320. How did you write 40320? That is the value of 8 factorial divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. How much is the answer, people? 49 lakh something. You are getting it. So whatever may be the question, you will be able to answer. And I am telling you now, multiple times these type of questions were there for examination. Basic questions. Purinjida? Pakka? Now each person, I will ask a question, you should tell me what is the answer. Okay, I will point out because none of you are talking. Pravaliga. Okay. How many words can be formed using the word type? 4 factorial. Pakka? Yes. Using the word linear, how many words can be formed? Ayush? 6 factorial. Any repetition? No. Now using the word permutation, how many words can be formed? Kalei? So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 factorial. Any repetition is there, Kalei? Check for repetition. T is repeated how many times? 2 times. Anything else is repeated? Anything else is repeated? No. So answer is what? 11 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So randomly, whatever may be the question, you will be able to answer it. That is the best part of it. Got it? Pakka, everyone understood this? Yeah, I think you will never make a mistake also going forward. Then I will teach you one more shortcut. We have shortcut after shortcut. Whatever you feel like at that moment, use that method. Now we will. For example, we started with which name? Ravi, right? Or Devi. Ravi we will take. Yes. How many letters are there in the word Ravida? 4 letters. That means how many letter word we can form from the letters of the word Ravi? 4 letter word itself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Now, 4 letters are there in the word Ravi. From the 4, any one of them can sit there in the first place. Any one from the 4 can sit in the first place. If one of them already sat, how many are remaining? If 2 of them already sat, how many are remaining? If 3 of them already sat, how many are remaining? So answer is what? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Anyway, that is what? 4 factorial. This method will help you with condition based question. That time we will be using this method, not our formula method. Next, I'll give it more. People, a 5-letter word is there. Okay, 5-letter word is there. We have 5 letters also. 5 letters are there. For example, A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U. What is that? Vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. Using vowels, I need to create how many number of words. How many numbers of words can be formed is the question. So people will write any of the 5 can sit here. Then one person already sat. That means how many are remaining? 4. 2 people already sat. How many are remaining? 3. 3 people already sat. How many are remaining? 2. 4 people already sat. How many are remaining? 1. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is equal to how much people? Anyway, 5 factorial. That is 120. I hope everyone understood the basics. If so, we can go further forward. Now here, if any repetition is there after doing this product, you will divide with the number of repeated factors. Okay. In this method also, the final method is divide it with the repetition factors, factorials. Sakshini, you got it, Sakshini? Pakka, you got it? Yes. How is it attending offline? Are you attending first time for offline or you used to attend for economics and all? This is the first time. Okay, fine. Done. Look here now. Previous year question. So, Allahabad, Mississippi, mathematics, then Kannada. These are some of the favorite words of ICAI. Usually, these are the words they will ask questions from for your examination. Try Kodingo people, answer Kodingo. Everyone. I hope that everyone's base, yeah, even for CBSE, yes. 7560. Okay. Try Kodingo, everyone. Get me the answer. Allahabad. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters are there in total. 9 letters are there in total means how will you write it, people? 9 factorial divided by what? How many repetition? L is repeated 2 times. 2 factorial. E is repeated how many times? 4 times. 4 factorial. 9 factorial is how much now? 9 into 40320 divided by 2 into 4 factorial is how much? 24. Take your calculator, people, and do it along with me. In calculator, how will you do it? 9 into 40320 divide by 2 divide by 24. That will give you the answer. 7560. Well and good, people. I hope everyone understood the usage also of permutation. How many number of ways? That is the basic thing at the end of the day. Clear Ayurka? Jayasri, everything is clear. Bonasri, everything is clear. Sudarshan, yes. Bonish, everything is clear now. Well and good. Next question is Idu.
3020.
We will check. In the future, I will be teaching you this with combination also. Okay. In the future, not now.
3020. 3020.
3024. Now, people, 4 people are there. Okay. How many are there in total? 4 people are over here. And they should be sitting in how many vacant places? 9 vacant places. People, what did I tell you in the beginning? When 9 places are there, 4 people can be arranged in how many ways? 9p 4 ways. Okay. 9 places are there, 4 people should be arranged. That means how many ways we can do it? We can do it in 9p 4 ways. And the answer is what, people? 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. 9p4 is how much? 9 into 8 into 7 into 6.
3024.
3024. Which option is the answer? Option B. I hope that everyone got it. Pakka? Yes. Done. Kandipa? Unmya? Yes. Yeah, online, everyone? Yes, Krishna. You joined late, I guess. Bhavdarni, Nihida, Sindhu, Shruti, Saumya, then Sugurda, Trisha. Everyone understood this? Yeah. If so, got the answer. Perfect. Inga Parango. Okay. A very good question. I'll show you the approach also. I'll go with the vacant place approach. Why? The question is what? The numbers between 1000 and 10,000. Okay, what is the question? Numbers between 1000 and 10,000. What is it? What type of numbers are there in between 1000 and 10,000? 1001 to 900. No. I'm asking what type of number? First standard. Go to first standard and tell me. from the first standard knowledge. In between 1 and 10, what numbers are there? 1-digit numbers are there. In between 10 and 100, 2-digit numbers are there. In between 100 and 1000, 3-digit number are there. In between 1000 and 10,000, what digit numbers are there? 4-digit numbers are there. That means how many vacant places are there, people? 4 vacant places are there. Pakka, everyone understood that? Yes. Now, form using the digits. Which are the digits? The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many digits are there in total? 6 people are there in total. We need to arrange them in 4 places. What is the easiest way of arranging them? We will just write what? Any of the 6 numbers can sit in the first place, correct? Any of the 6 numbers can sit in the first place. Into, if one person already sat, how many are remaining? If two of the numbers, for example, 1 and 2 already sat, how many are remaining? 4. If 3 numbers already sat, how many are remaining? Answer is how much, people? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 is 7 or 360. In the future, I'll be teaching you with connecting with combination. But if you ask me, without even knowing the concept of combination, you can solve the question. Why? Because even though we are selecting and putting them over there, at the end we are just arranging those people. So there is no such condition over here. That's why we directly did what? Permutation method over here. I hope that everyone understood this. Or how will you write it? You will understand, Sukrita. You can keep it in your mind like this. In total, how many letters are there? In total, how many are there? 6 digits are there. 6 digits need to sit in how many places? 4 places. That means what? 6p4. That is what? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Answer is what? 360. This is the way. Okay. Sukrita, you understood this method? Yes. If so, I will teach you with another method so that you will understand the other method also. Because I understood why the confusion is coming to you. For example, A is there, E is there, I is there, O is there, U is there, F is there. We need to create a 4-letter word from the given A, E, I, O, U, F. How many letters are there in total? 6 letters are there in total, but what we need to create? We need to create 4-letter word. The arrangement is only important for us. Now you tell me, from the 6, any one of them can sit in the first place, right? Yes, Sukrita, is that correct? Any one of them can sit in the first place. If one of them sat in the second place, how many can sit in the next place? How many are remaining? 5 are remaining. Now, if 2 people already sat, how many are remaining? 4 are remaining. If 3 people already sat, how many are remaining? 3 are remaining. Are you getting my point, people? Just take the numbers and just eliminate the others. That is the way. So if you ask me, we use the same approach over here. Instead of letters, there were digits. Maybe your doubt was, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why did we write 5 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3? Okay. Test, normal test only, da? Yes. Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, the other test will be there. So, now you understood? Got the point? If not, also tell me. Yes, perfect. So these are the basic questions. Okay, people. Now my random question, the foundation. Using the letters of the word foundation, how many words, new words, or how many words can be formed by rearranging? Tell me. How many are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means what? 10 factorial divided by what is repeated? U is repeated 2 times, no. O is repeated 2 times. Into anything else is repeated? N is repeated 2 times. Anything else is repeated? No, that means n factorial divided by 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. How will you rewrite it? 10 into 9 into 40320 divided by 2 into 2. What is this 40320? 8 factorial. Okay, well and good. You are getting better and better with each question. That is what is happening right now. Okay. How many of you are learning it for the first time? Yes. You guys are understanding, right? Whatever we are doing? Yes. Darshana, you are getting it right? Well and good. Great. Awesome. Yes. Bhavdharani, you are getting it right? Yes. So permutation and combination is not there in 10th.
Was there in 11th?
11th it is coming into the picture. Ah, okay. I think my time it was there in 9th, 10th.
It was
My
there in 8th standard.
8th standard. Ah, okay. Anyone didn't study maths in 9th, 10th and all? Is someone here like that who were from the economics background or some other courses there in Tamil medium where maths is not there in 8th, 9th and 10th? Is there someone like that? None of them are there. Because last time I remember one student was there like that. Yes. At the end of, he cleared. Okay. He cleared with 45 marks in maths. He cleared also. Good thing. Yes. So the last time I remember one person, he came and told me that, sir, I never studied maths. Then he told, okay, 10th and 11th and 12th is fine. Then he told, from 7th standard I was not learning, sir. Then even I was hearing that for the first time. Till then I didn't know that maths is not there in certain syllabus. Fine. Look here. Now we are going for with condition. Condition means what? They will give a particular condition. Okay. If I want to create a new word using the letters of the word Krishnan. Okay. If I want to form a new word using the letters of the word Krishnan, they will say that the new word should not have K in the beginning. The new word should not have R in the beginning. Likewise, they will ask the question. Okay, that is a pattern of question that can come for examination. That is called as condition. Then they will say that all the letters can be repeated. All the letters can be repeated means if first place one person is sitting means second place also he can sit. Third place also he can sit. Okay, that type of question also might be there. We will discuss that in few minutes. Before that, we need to have some basics. People, have you heard about this? Whenever you see or in a question, you will use which sign? The plus sign. Whenever you see and in a question, you will use which sign? The multiplication sign. When is it used? For example, they will say, form a new word from the letters of the word Pravalika. Okay. Either P should be starting the word or A should be starting the word. First you will find what? Words can the number of ways with P starting the word. You will find. Then you will find what? Number of ways in which A is starting the word. Then you will do what? You will add them. Since or is coming, you will now add the number of ways. Then people, they are telling. Um, Using the letters of the word Ayush. Okay. They will say that a Y should start the word. And H should end the word. H should be the last word and Y should be the first. H should be the last letter and Y should be the first letter. First you will find with A in the beginning. Then you will find H in the end. Then you will do what? Multiplication of the number of ways. Then you will get the answer. So and means multiplication, or means addition. More about this we will learn in chapter number 7 and chapter number 15 and chapter number 16. It is important over there than here. Okay. So whatever we are going to learn today, combination. Okay, combination we'll be learning. That will be more important in chapter number 15. Questions, probability. Many questions are there based on combinations in probability. Now people, everyone listen carefully. I'll show you the methods. Okay, with conditions and all, we will understand the question. Read the question. If a man travels in a train from place A to B in 10 ways. Okay, how many ways he is traveling now? In 10 ways he is traveling. Then in how many ways he can come back by another train is the question. Now people, for example, I am there. Okay, I am behind the mask. Or bad man is there. He wants to go to Bangalore. He is currently in Chennai. Okay, there are four different ways. Okay, there are four different ways he can take in order to go to Bangalore from Chennai. Then the condition is bad man should go there and come back. Condition is what? While coming back, he cannot take the same way whichever he went. That is the condition, right? Now listen, people. For example, he took this first way while going over there. While coming back, can he take the first way? No. Second case, he took the second way. While coming back, can he take the same way? No. He took the third way. While coming back, can he take the same way? No. Fourth way, while he coming back, can he take the same way? No. Fifth way, while coming back, can he take the same way? No. Now my question is, first he should go there and come back. Correct? First he should go to Bangalore and come back. Now, going to Bangalore, how many options are there for him? How many options in this question? How many options are there? 5 options are there. Any of the 5 trains or buses Batman can take and go to Bangalore. Now, and means into. While coming back, how many options are there? If he took the first way, can he take the same way? No. How many options are there for him? 4. Answer is how much? 20. Using the same logic, look over here. Yes. If a man travels in a train from A to B in 7 ways, then by how many ways he can come back by another train is the question. So people, first of all, he should go. Then only he can come back. Correct? First he should go, then only he can come back. That means in how many ways he can go over there? 10 ways. While coming back, can he take the same train? Can he take the Shatabdi again and come back? No. He should take some other train. How many trains are there? 9 trains are there. So answer is how much, people? 90. Are you getting the point? Did you understand this? Which one? This question? Hey, I'll explain. Yes. Now, you understood this one? Yes. With the same logic, look over the same question. For example, you want to go to your hostel. There are 10 ways you can go to hostel. Or we are coming to the academy, you have 10 different ways. Different roads are there. You can come by 10 different roads. Okay. So while coming to the academy, you can choose any of the 10 roads, right? That's why I put 10. Okay, that means it is like from the 10 I am choosing 1. 10p1. Okay, that way. Any of the 10 ways you can travel or arrange yourself. That is 10. Into. While going back, for example, you came via the highway. While going back, you can't go. That's same highway. Why? Because it's a one way. You can't go through that way. So how many remaining ways are there? 9 remaining ways are there. So while going back, you can either go via any 9 of the ways. So answer will be what? 10 into 9, which will be how much? 90. If you check your workbook, a similar question is there. A person can travel by 11 ways to a place. While coming back, he should take another way. How many ways it can be done? 11 into 10. A person can go by 20 ways. While coming back, he should take another way. Answer is what? 20 into 19. So that is the approach, people. I hope that everyone understood this. If someone is still having doubt, please tell me. Bhavadharani, right answer. Krishna, you got it. Akshaya, you got it. Nihita, Pujita, Sindhu, then Shruti, Saumya, Sugrida, Trisha, everyone got this? If not, also tell me. Yes, offline, Sakshini, everyone got it? Yes, Darshana, you got. Yeah, Darshana, you got it? Yes, fine. If so, next question, people. One standard knowledge is required for the next question. Otherwise, you will not be doing it. Jayasri, you got it? Paka? Yes. How many odd numbers can be formed using the digits 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Okay, that is the question. How many odd numbers can be formed is the question. And read again. Digits can be repeated. Okay, that is important. I'll show you with an example. I'll just ask you one question. Okay. Tell me one number. Tell me one 3-digit number. Everyone. One number. 999. Okay. Give me different numbers. Don't give any repeated number. Yes.
576.
Okay. Some person said 576. Okay. Now, which is. Okay. One more number is there. Have you heard about ones place, tens place, hundreds place and all? We studied as the very basic. One of the first thing we learn in our first standard or second standard. Ones place. Which is here in ones place? 6 is there in ones place. Ones, place. Who is there in tens place? 7. Tens place. Then who is there in hundreds place? 5 is there in hundreds place. Now, if you ask me in first standard, second standard, that were the questions. Yeah, if write a number which 5 is there in hundreds place. Likewise, there was question like that in your first standard or second standard. Now, people, is it an even number or an odd number? This number 576 is an even number or odd number? Okay, 365 is an even number or odd number? Okay, 371 is an even number or odd number? Then 379 is an even number or odd number? How do you know it is an odd number or even number? Yeah, ones place. Ones place is odd means we will say that the number is odd. If ones place is 0 or any even number, we will say that the number is what? Even. Keep it in your mind. So what is it, people? Ones place decide whether the number is even or it is odd. Now look at this question, people. How many 3-digit odd number? 3-digit odd number means how many digits are there now? 3 digits are there. 3 vacant places are there. Correct. Right answer. Now, you tell me, we need to create what? Odd number. How many odd numbers are there in the given digits? Using the given digits. 5 is there. Then 7 is there. Then 9 is there. That means 3 odd numbers are there in total. Now, people, so who all can sit in the ones place? Any of the 3 can sit in the ones place. Everyone understood that part? Yes, Sugrita, you got this. Any of the 3 numbers can sit in the ones place, correct? Either 5 can sit or 7 can sit or 9 can sit. 3 possibilities there in the ones place. Now people, the condition is with repetition, right? That means if one of them already sat there, for example, 5 already sat there, can 5 sit in the next place also? Yes. Possibility is there. Repetition is there. That means how many people can sit in the next place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many people can sit in the next place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means answer is how much now? 75 ways it can be arranged. Understood. Jessri, you got this? Now, if some people are having doubt with the next question, whatever I am going to ask you, that doubt will be solved. What if the digits cannot be repeated for the same question? Digits cannot be repeated. Digits cannot be repeated means what? Anyway, we need to form a 3-digit number, correct? Now, how many people could have sit in the odds place? First, we should give priority odd number. How many people can sit there? 3 people can sit here, correct? Now, tell me, one of them already sat. How many are remaining? 4. 2 people already sat. How many are remaining? 3. How much is the answer then, people? 3 into 4 into 3. How much is it? How much is it? 36. Understood? Nihita, always give priority to the odd number when they are saying that it is odd 3-digit number when digit cannot be repeated. Don't start from the beginning. If you start, first I will put 5, then I will give priority to others, it's not possible. Okay. How 4 games are? Yes. Now we are not talking about the digits given over here. Okay. We are not talking about the digits. We are talking about the number of digits. People, 3 odd digits are there. Correct? 3 odd digits means what? 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there. Any of the 3 can sit in where? In the ones place. Now, in total we have how many? 5 are there in total. If one person already sat, for example here 7 already sat, how many are remaining then? How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4 are remaining. That means any of the 4 can sit over here. Now, people, for example, 8 already sat over there. How many are remaining? 3 are remaining. That means any of the 3 can sit in the remaining place. So, that's why it is becoming 36. Sugrida, you got it now? Is it clear, people? So, with repetition and without repetition is always important. Now, until and unless it is mentioned in the question repeated, we will not take it as repeated. Okay? We will go for not repetition. Okay. Now, for more questions I'll give you from this. Because these are basic things If you don't know this, sometimes complicated questions you will never be able to answer. Now people, I want you to form a 4-digit number from digits 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First question. I want you to form 4-digit number from digits 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. People, 4-digit number has how many places? 4 places. That means, is there any condition over here? The only condition is 4-digit number. Now, how many can sit in the first place? Directly we can put 5 into. If one person already sat, how many are remaining? 4. If 2 people already sat, how many are remaining? 3. If 3 people already sat, how many are remaining? 2. So answer is what? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is the first case. Now, for the same question I am telling, 4-digit number from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits are repeated. We are going to repeat the digits. So, how many vacant places? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now people, how many digits we have? 5 digits we have. How many people can sit in the first place? 5. If 5 of them already sat, how many are remaining? 5 are remaining. Why? Because we can again, if for example 6 already sat there, for the next place also we can consider 6. That means 5. That means 5. That means 5. How much is the answer? 5 raised to 4. Answer is how much? 625. I hope you understood this. Everyone got the meaning of this. Anyone is having doubt, right away ask me. Yes. Rest of you, is it clear for you? Sukrita, is it clear? Akshaya, Bavadarni, Krishna, Nihita, Pujita, Sindhu, Shruti, Saumya, Sukrita, everyone got this right? Now one more question for you. 3-digit number. It's a very good question, okay? Many will make a mistake. From digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3-digit number from 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. Now, one question I want to ask everyone. Can we start the number with a 0? If we start the number with 0, the number will become what? 2-digit number. For example, I put 0, then I put 5, then I put 4 over here. That means which is the number is what? 54. Is 54 a 3-digit number? No. It is a 2-digit number. So can you start with 0? No. So how many letters, how many digits we have to start off with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In total, how many are there? 6 are there. Can every 6 of them can sit in the first place? No. How many can sit in the first place? Only 5 of them can sit in the first place. Now people, for example, 3 already sat in the first place. How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are remaining. So how many people can sit in the next place? 5 can sit in the next place. Correct answer, Sindhu. If 2 people already sat, for example, 3 and 4 already sat, how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 into 5 into 4, which is equal to how much people? 100 numbers can be formed. I hope everyone understood this. If not also, next question will give you the answer. 3-digit numbers from 0, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 3-digit number from 0, 1, 6, 7, 8. Now people, how many digits are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there in total. Can everyone sit in the first place? No, 0 cannot sit, because if 0 can sit over there, it will become a 2-digit number. So how many of them can sit? 5 of them into. Now, if 6 already sat, how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are remaining. Then if 2 people already sat, for example 7 also sat, that means how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4 are remaining. 5 into 5 into 4 is your answer. I hope that everyone understood the question. Now, one more question. 3-digit number from 0, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9 if digits can be repeated. That also you should see, right? We should see all the possibilities. Now 3-digit number means how many vacant places? 3 vacant places. Now can all the numbers sit in the first place? No. How many can sit in the first place? 5 of them can sit in the first place. Then how many can sit in the second place? All the 6 can sit in the second place. Why? Because in total 6 digits are there. Then how many can sit in the last place? 6 can sit. So 5 into 6 into 6 will be the answer if digits can be repeated. I hope that it is getting cleared for everyone. Pakka? Done na? Purnasri, you got it? Jayasri, you got this? Everyone? Pakka, right? Offline, online, everyone? If any doubt is there, right away ask me, because these are complicated questions if you ask me. All these are complicated questions. Now you are getting the touch of it. If you use formula and all, you will never get the answer properly. That is the problem. If you directly use the formula, you will not get the answer directly. Yes. Today I will repeat with another question, not with the same question. Okay. Because that might give you more clarity. If this one is not getting to you, sometimes in another question can give you clarity. Now, yeah, any doubt? Yes. What happened? Oh, nothing. Okay, fine. Now, form a 5-digit number using 0. So I'll exclude 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 if digits can be repeated. Okay. 5-digit number means how many vacant places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means, Shruti, you tell me, how many people can sit in the first place? All the 8 people can sit in the first place. Since digits can be repeated, who already sat in the first place can also sit in the second place, right? That means how many people can sit in the second place? All the 8 people can sit. Then all the 8 people can sit in the next place also. All the 8 people can sit in the next place, and all the 8 people can sit in the next place. It will be what? 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. That is the answer. Are you getting the point? Now, for the same question, 5-digit number, when digits cannot be repeated, what is the answer, Doc? Cannot be repeated. What will be the answer? 5 digits are there. In from that, we are taking 5-digit numbers. How many numbers are there in total? 8 numbers are there. 8 people sat in the first place. Now, how many are remaining? 7. That means 7 into. Then 2 people already sat. 6 into. 5 into 4. This is the way. Now I will make the question little more easy for you. Odd number. It should be an odd number. 5-digit odd number. Shruti, are you getting this? 5-digit odd number means how many odd digits are there? 1 is there. 3 is there. 5 is there. 7 is there. 4 odd digits are there. So you will give preference to what? The ones place. Correct? You will give preference to the ones place. Any 4 people can sit in the ones place. That is the first thing you can write into. 1 person already sat. How many are remaining? 7. 2 people already sat. How many are remaining? 6. 3 people already sat. How many are remaining? Then finally 4. So 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 4 is the answer. I hope that everyone got this, and this approach will give you marks. Whatever may be the question, we will use this approach so that you will never go wrong in any of the question. Okay, can we do it, people? Are you guys ready for it? Everyone, are you ready for it? Kalai, you got it? Yes. Sudhi, everyone. Other than that, Akshaya, Pavadarani, Krishna, Nikita, Pujita, Sindhu, Shruti, Saumya, Sugrita, everyone, we are going for the questions. Parungo. Answer Kurungo. The number of different ways the letters of the word detail can be arranged such that the vowels occupy all position. People, detail has how many letters? 6 letters means how many vacant places are there? 6 vacant places are there. That means even if I create a new word, that will also have how many letters? 6 letters. Now, how many vowels are there? Everyone knows vowels, right? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Here who all are there? E is there, A is there, I is there. Then consonants. How many consonants are there? 3. Which are those? D, T and L. So 3 vowels are there and 3 consonants are there. Now you tell me which are the even places. Even places can you mark? Second place is an even place. Then fourth place is an even place. Then sixth place is an even place. These are the even places. Then what is the condition according to the question? Vowels occupy odd places. Vowels occupy odd places means how many people can sit in this place? Any of the 3 vowels can sit in the second place or the first even place. That means 3. If one vowel already sat, how many vowels are remaining? One vowel already sat. For example, E already sat. How many are remaining? 2 vowels are remaining. That means 2 can sit over here. A question is what? Odd position, huh? Then you can say that it is even. Then we will do for odd. Okay. Yes, question I read it wrongly, or we will correct it. 1 second. We will correct it. Yes. Odd position is the question, right? Sorry for that. So odd positions are what? First position, third position, then fifth position. Correct, Shruti. So these are the positions given in the question. First position, odd positions are first position, second position, and first position, third position, and the fifth position. Now people, the approach is not going to change. Anyway, the answer will not change. The thing is what? How many vowels are there? 3 vowels. Any of the 3 can sit in the first place. That means, for example, E already sat. How many are remaining? 2. So how many can sit in the third place? 2 can sit. Now, 2 people already sat. How many are remaining? 1 is remaining. So they can sit over where? At the final position. Fifth position. Now people, will we write, 3 into 2 into 1 is our answer. Will we go after that? No, we need to fill the consonants also. How many consonants are there? 3 consonants. Now you tell me 3 consonants. Out of the 3 consonants, how many can sit in this place? Any of the 3. If one person already said, how many are remaining? 2. If 2 people already said, how many are remaining? 1. So answer is what? 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 1 into 1. Answer is how much people? I hope you guys got it. Why am I teaching you this way? Because you will be able to answer any question. If you study the formula method, you will be stuck in different questions in different manner. We don't want that. Okay? I hope everyone understood this. Pakka? Everyone got it? Yes, Sudarshan, you got it? Bhuvanesh, you got it? Yes. Lipika, you got it? Lipika? Yes. Fine. Pakka? Offline? Online? Done? If so, inga பாருங்க. The number of words that can be formed using the letters of the word petrol. Okay, how many letters are there in petrol now? 6 letters are there. Yes, 6 letters are there in petrol. Such that the word should not start with P, or P should not be there in the first place. Now I will write the vacant place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In total, how many are there? 5 are there. Can P sit in the first place? No. P can't sit in the first place. So how many people can sit in the first place? Any of the 5 people can sit in the first place. Now people, into. Okay. In second place, can P sit? Yes. So how many people are remaining now? Yeah, 5 are remaining. Why? Because for example, I am telling E started. E was sitting in the first place. Then how many are remaining? P is there, T is there, R is there, O is there, L is there. That means 5 are remaining. 2 people already sat. How many are remaining? 4. Then 3 people already sat. How many are remaining? 3. Then finally 2. Answer is how much now? 5 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. How much is the answer? 600. Got the point, people? There is another approach also for this question. You don't need to know that. Keep it this way. It's much more easier. Keep it in your mind. Paka? Yeah. Lipika, you got it? Yes. Fine. Kali? Yes. Anyone? Any doubt? Please ask me right now. This is the moment. Now, next question, okay? One more thing, though. Can I ask one more thing from the same question so that what if you are having that luxury right now of not thinking? I will ask a question from this itself. Petrol. Using the letters of the word petrol such that a vowel should not be at the last place. Using the letters of the petrol such that what is the condition? Vowel should not be at the last place. That is the question. So petrol has how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many vowels are there in petrol? 2 vowels. So how many people can sit in the last place? Any of the remaining 4 people can sit in the last place. So last person will be what? 4 into. 1 person already sat. That means how many are remaining? 5. 2 people already sat. 4 are remaining. 3 people already sat. 3 are remaining. These 4 people already sat. How many are remaining? 2 are remaining. Then 1 are remaining. How much is the answer? How much is it? 480. Everyone understood the question? Now people, what if a repetition was there? For example, E is repeated 2 times. After doing all this, we will divide it with what? 2 factorial. What if L is repeated 3 times? You will divide it with what? 3 factorial. Accordingly, you should do it. At the end of the time, you will do what? Divide with 3 factorial or 4 factorial based on the number of repetition. Keep it in your mind. It will help you might be in the future. Not sure because they will not ask that complicated question and all in the future. Yes, Shruti, tell me. Here we are dividing? No, here we are not dividing anything. We are not dividing anything, right? For repetition now. Okay, for example, Nithin. 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 Okay, this is the question. Such that the word should always start with T. In another question, we multiply with the same number. I didn't understand. That is with repetition. Here it is without repetition, right? Here we did not repeat it. Okay. Repetition in the sense letters can be repeated. That is a different question. Okay. I am telling with respect to this. Now listen to this. Then you will understand the doubt. Okay. Nithin. Letters of the word Nithin is there. The condition is you should start with H. You should start with H. That means how many vacant places are there? 6 vacant places are there. Correct? You should start with H means no matter what, H should be there in the first place. Now, how many people are remaining? How many people are remaining? The 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there. Sorry, 1 is there, 2 is there, H is not there. 5 are remaining. So, I will write 5 into, then 4 into, 3 into, 2 into 1. That is the case. Then people, you will take the product of everything. Then that is how much the 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 is how much? 120 divided by people. N is repeated how many times? 2 times. That is 2 factorial. Then I is repeated 2 times. So divided by 2 factorial. At the end of the day, you should divide it with what? The letters repeated in the question. Not with repetition or without repetition. Okay, Shruti, are you getting it? Yes. So that's how you divide it with 2 factorial and 2 factorial. Got the point? So whatever may be the question, give me a name. Jayashree I'll take, okay? Because Shree, right? Yes. Even if not, I will write it this way. So that we can have a very good question out of it. Now people, the condition is, read the question carefully. We need to form new words from the letters of the word Jayashree. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 letters are there in total. Now my condition is we should start with a vowel. Condition is we should start with a vowel. How many vowels are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 vowels are there. So you will write what? 4. Okay, we will consider them separately itself into. Now how many words letters are remaining? 8 are remaining. Then how many are remaining then? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now people, is it over there? No, we need to divide with the letters repeated. A is repeated how many times? Divide with 2 factorial. Divide with 2 factorial. E is repeated 2 times. Anything else is repeated? Nothing else is repeated. At the end of the day, you will get the answer. Are you getting the point, people? So whatever may be the question, we will do it in our approach itself. It is not going to give a different answer. We will get the same answer as whoever is going to use complicated formulas and going to get the answer. Got it? Pakka? If so, people, next one is over here. The number of words that can be formed out of the letters of the word article so that the vowels occupy even places. Correct. Correct answer. Good. Article. So can you do it with repetition, without repetition, sir? Which question da? Jayasriya? Jayasri question? Okay. Yes. Is that Sindhu? Yes, I'll come back to that. After this, we'll do it. Okay. So we did what? Without repetition, correct? Without repetition in the sense, the letters are without repeating, that way we did it. We will take the condition for with repetition. Okay. Yes. How much is it? 36, huh? Okay. Number of words that can be formed out of the letters of the word article. Article is having how many letters now? In total, 6 letters are there. So how many vacant places will be there? 6 vacant places will be there. Correct? Oh, 7 vacant spaces. N is equal to how much? 7 over here. That means in total how many vacant places? 7 vacant places are there. Now the question is, how many vowels are there? The vowels occupy even places is the question. Even places means how will you write it? Which are the even places? This is an even place. Then this is an even place. Then this is an even place. These are the even places. Now people, how many vowels? 1, 2, 3 vowels are there. So vowels can sit over here. Then if one person already said, means how many are remaining? 2 are remaining. Then 1 is remaining. So in total, how many vowels are there, people? Vowels are equal to 3. Now people, how many consonants are there? Consonants are how many? 4 consonants are there. One of the consonant can sit here. Then if one person already said, how many are remaining? 3 are remaining. If two people already sat, 2 are remaining. Finally, what is remaining? 1 is remaining. So 4 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. How much is it? 144. I think you might have taken for 6 people, right? Yes, fine. That's okay. So option D is your answer. So see people, whatever may be the question, we are going with the same approach and we are getting the answer within few seconds. So this is the approach for us. Now in this question, Jayasri question, one person asked, what if the letters are repeated? What we will do, we will take it like what? You tell me, how many letters are there? Then we will consider like, how many vowels are there? If letters are given to be repeated, with repetition they are taking, we will take like A and E is there, right? We will only take it as what? 2 vowels. Then we will say first place only 2 people can sit. Into. Then how many letters are remaining? J is there, A is there, Y is there, then S is there, H is there, R is there, E is there. So except that, how many letters are there in total, people? 7 letters or 8 letters are there, right? That means into 8, into 8, into 8, into 8, into 8. You can write it that way. Okay? Understood, Sindhu? That way you will go. Got it. That time we will not go and divide everything because it is what repetition is coming into the picture. We are not actually using the concept directly. Okay. Anyway, I'll solve one question in the future with respect to that. Inga Parango. You can do it, people. The timer starts now. Take your time and solve it for me.
96.
96. Think so? We'll check. I think so. Yeah. Okay, Sindhu. Think so? Yes, Ayush. We will check. Can I try? Everyone? Yes, Lipika, you got the answer? Okay. We'll check. Yes. Find the number of arrangement in which the letters of the word Monday arrange so that the words form begin with M and do not end with what? N. That is the condition. Okay. So how many letters are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is there? 6 is there. 6 letters are there in total. So the condition is what? It should begin with M. No matter what, it should begin with M. So can M sit in the last place? Can M sit in the last place? M, it should begin with M. That means M cannot sit in the last place no matter what. Then do not end with N. That means can N sit in the last place? No. Now, how many people can sit in the last place? Next condition is we should go for that directly. How many people can sit in the last place? Either O can sit, either D can sit, or A can sit, or Y can sit. That means how many people can sit in the last place? 4 people can sit in the last place. Into people, one of the person sat there. That means how many are remaining? Either O is there, then N is there, then D is there, A is there. That means 4 are remaining. Then how many are there? 3, 2, 1. How much is the answer, people? 16 into 3 into 2 is how much? 96. I hope that everyone understood this question. Yes, Lipika, you understood, right? Yes. Well and good. So, what will happen if we are going for the formula method and all? Question by question, we will change the formula. That will create nuisance for us. Sometimes you will not get the answer before because of that. In examination, in your college level or school level, you should use the formula. For CA Foundation, we don't need to show them steps, right? We can use this way. None of them will question you regarding it. Okay. Yes. Pakka? If so, everyone, get me the answer. We already did it. 3-digit odd number. 3-digit what? Odd number formed using the digits 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If the digits can be what? Repeated. Repeated. 3-digit means how many vacant places? 3 vacant places are there. Yes. Now, odd number means what? The ones place should be odd. Which are the odd numbers over here? 5 is there, 7 is there, 9 is there. That means how many odd numbers? 3 odd numbers are there. Any of the 3 can be sitting over there. Now people, if one person already said, can he sit in the next place? Yes, he can over here. Why? Because it can be repeated. So any of the 5 can sit here. Any of the 5 can sit here. Answer is what? We already did it, people. So I hope that you are able to connect it again and get the answer. Pakka? Done right? Online? Yes, Krishna, Nihita, Pujita, Sindhu, Shruti, Saumya, Sukrita. Then Bhavadharani, Akshaya, everyone. Akshaya, are you there? Are you getting it? Yes. Sakshini, you are getting it. Lipika, you are getting it right? Yes, Vishwasri. Okay. If so, look at this question. A 4-digit number that can be formed out of 7 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, such that no number is repeated. That means we can't repeat anything. Okay, repetition is not allowed. And are greater than 3000. People, greater than 3000 means what? It should be more than 3000. Your value should be like more than 3000. Any number above 3000 should be the case. Now, they are asking for what type of number? 4-digit number. You can try, people. The timer starts now. Then I will explain for you. Is it? We will check. Yes, you can take 1.5 minutes. We will check. Okay. Yes. Everyone try. Four-digit number, then digits cannot be repeated, but the condition is what? It should be more than 3000. Now my first question now, can we start the number with 1? No. Why not? That means the number will be 1000 something. Is it greater than 3000? No. That means 1 cannot be starting the number. Then can we start it with 2? Can you start with 2? No, we can't start with 2 also. Why? Because the number will not be greater than 3000. Can we start with 3?
Yes.
Can we start with 3? Yes, we can start with 3. Now people, you tell me how many people can sit in the first place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any of the 5 people can sit in the first place. Are you getting the point? Any of the 5 people can sit in the first place. Into. Now you tell me how many can sit in the next place. One person already sat. That means how many are remaining? In total, how many digits are there? 3, 6, 7 digits are there in total. In total, 7 digits are there. So one person already sat means how many are remaining? 6 are remaining. Now people, 2 people already sat. How many are remaining? 4. 3 people already sat. How many are remaining? Sorry, 2 people already sat. How many are remaining now? 5 are remaining. Sorry for that. Then how many are remaining now? 4 are remaining. So you tell me how much is the answer? 600. Everyone got it as 600 people? Yes. Option C is the answer. So the right answer 600. Bhavdani, Sindhu, right answer 600. Ayush, everyone, whoever got 600. Everyone got 600, right? Anyone got any different answer? No, right? Understood? Darshana, you got it? Yes. Now, Inga Parag. Can you explain again? Yes, I can do that. So here the condition is what? The condition is it's a 4-digit number that can be formed out of 7 digits. Okay, that is the condition. Now, 4-digit number means how many digits are there in total? It will have 4 digits. Okay, there is one ones place, tens place, 100 place, and there is a 1000 place. Likewise, 4-digit numbers are there. Now, what else is given? There are 7 digits given in order to form the 4-digit number. Now, such that no digit is repeated, that means repetition is not allowed. It is not at all allowed. And it is greater than 3000 is the question. Greater than 3000 means what? The number whatever we are getting should be greater than 3000. For example, in the ones place I am putting 1, then 2, then 3. That means number is how much now? Number will be 1234. Is it greater than 3000? No. That means 1 cannot sit over the first place. Then, can I put 2 in the first place? No. 2 cannot sit in the first place. Why? For example, randomly I am creating a number from here. 2, then 7, 8, 9. Is it greater than 3000? No. That means 2 also cannot sit in the next place. Can 3 sit? Yes. Why? Whatever number starts now, it will be 3, 1, 2, 5 or something like that. It will be there. So 3 can sit, then 5 can sit, 7 can sit, 8 can sit, 9 can sit. All these people can sit. So whatever number we start with, any of the number can sit in the first place. That means how many people are possible to sit over there? 5 people are? How many were there? 5, 7, 8, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. That means any of the 5 digits can sit there. Either 3 or 5 or 7 or 8 or 9 can sit in the first place. Int. Now, one person already sat. For example, I am telling 9 already sat. How many are remaining now in total? Out of the 7, 1 already sat means 6 are remaining. Got it, Sugardha, Soumya, you understood this step? Yes. 2 people already sat. If 2 people already sat from the 7, 2 are gone. That means how many are there remaining? 5 are remaining. 3 people already said how many are remaining? 4 are remaining. So that's how you got it as how much people? 600. Understood, Sugrita? And Soumya, are you getting it? Soumya, you got it? Yes, perfect. Get me the answer. This question, everyone, please. A garden is having 6 tall trees. In how many ways can 5 children stand one in a gap between the trees is the question. In order to pose for a photograph is the question. Can everyone do it for me? Very easy question. Direct question if you ask me. Yes. How much is it? 120. Yeah? Yes. 6 tall trees, 5 children. 120. Correct. Correct answer. Yes. Well and good. Once you are done, I'll start solving. Yes, correct answer. Now people, what are they telling? There are 6 tall trees. So trees are there. Correct? Yes. So likewise, trees are there. Then what are they telling? 5 children are standing in the gap between the trees. Correct. 5 children are standing in the gap between the trees. Now my first question. How many children are there in total? 5 children. Correct. 5 children's 5 vacant places. How many ways we can do it? 5 ways we can do it. That is 5 factorial. Directly you will get 120. Or I will say that any of the 5 can sit in the first gap, right? Any of the 5. One person already said. How many are remaining? 4. 2 people already said. How many are remaining? 3. 3 people already said. How many are remaining? 2. And finally, remaining person. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to how much? 120. Or you will write it as which way down? 5 people, 5 vacant places. Number of arrangement is 5p5. That is what? 5 factorial. Or we can write it as what? 120. Which option is the answer, people? Option B is the answer. So these are the questions will come for examination, and there is few questions, 1 or 2 questions I have given in the workbook that will be little more high. You should try it out. Then I will explain it. If any doubt is there, I'm pakka sure that 95% of the students will not get the answer. But if you can surprise me, I'll be happy. Everyone try. One password based question is there. One locand key based question is there based on permutation. These two are little complicated. It is there in the workbook. Anyway, we will solve it towards the end. Whichever questions you are having doubt, always keep it, and still the doubt is not clear, give it to me towards the end of the class. I mean end of our subject. That time we will solve all those questions. Okay. Solve this for me. How many numbers not more than 10,000 can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Very good question. Yes, I'll share it. Bhavdharni, I'll share it. So I think blood relation is pending, index number and this chapter, right? Yeah, I'll share it in the group. 4-digit number, you tell me. Not more than 10,000. Not more than what? Not more than 10,000. Not more than 10,000 means what all type of numbers are there? Now my first question, is 5 more than 10,000? Is 5 more than 10,000? No, it is less. That means 1-digit number is included. 2-digit number is included. 3-digit number is included. 4-digit number is included. That means we should consider everyone. Not more than 10,000 means we should consider 1-digit number or 2-digit number or 3-digit number or 4-digit number. Now some people will say, sir, then 10,000 is also included. Can you form 10,000 using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? No. We can only form 12,345 or 13,456. Likewise, only we can solve. Yes, right answer, Sindhu. Very good. Awesome. Good. Everyone try Get me the answer. Very easy question. We can get the answer in few seconds. Once I say, you will get the answer. Till then, you try. Timer starts now. Correct answer. Bodhani. Awesome. Good. Correct answer. Pravalika. Good. So the correct. Very good. Everyone try. Dinesh, you are getting the answer also you got. Awesome. Good. Any answers? Nikita, right answer. Awesome. Good. Can I try? Everyone, listen carefully. Listen to me. How many numbers, not more than 10,000, can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Okay, how many digits are there in total, people? 9 digits are there in total, right? Now, what are the possible numbers you should tell me? Not more than 10,000. Which all numbers are there? One digit number is there, or two digit is there, or three digit number is there, or four digit number is there. So any of the following numbers are possible. That is the catch in this question. Whenever you see or, you will add or multiply. Add. Or means multiplication, and means, sorry, or means plus, and means multiplication. Now, one digit number. One digit number has how many vacant places? The one vacant place. Or means what? Plus. Two digit number has how many vacant place? Two vacant place. Or means plus. Three digit number has how many vacant place? Three vacant place. Or means plus. Four digit number has how many vacant place? Four vacant place. Now, people, in a one digit number, how many possibilities are there? Either it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8 or 9. That means 9 possibilities are there. Correct? Then in two digit number, any of the 9 can sit in the first place. Then how many are remaining? 8. So 9 into 8. In three digit number, any of the 9 can sit in the first place. Then 8. Then 7. Four digit number, 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. Take your calculator, people. Use memory calculation. Get me the answer. 9 click what? M plus. 9 into 8 what? M plus. 9 into 8 into 7 what? M plus. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 is what? M plus. Then finally MRC, how much are you getting? 3609. I hope everyone understood the approach. Anyone, any doubt, ask me right now. Okay. Clear आयरका? आयता? Everyone online. मनसलायो? Yes. मनसलायो? Yes. Fine. Done. If so, is it a difficult question? Yes. Difficulty is high. The reason is what? Cannot be more than is the question. From that time inside the exam hall, you should be able to think in that manner. That is not always possible. So with practice of seeing many questions like this only, you will be thinking in that manner. Otherwise, what you will do? You will just find for 4-digit number and you will finish it there. That is going to happen. So don't do that. Repeat it again and again. You will get the answer much faster. Final question from this is one of the best question. we should not consider 5-digit number. Why? Because it should not be more than 10,000. That's why. How we are starting with 9, sir? Yes. How are we starting with 9, da? Can anyone tell me? How are we starting with 9? There are 9 numbers. Either it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Either of the 9 numbers are possible. That's why we are starting with 9. 1-digit number can be either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any of the 9 numbers can be possible. That's why 1 digit is coming under as what? 9 possibilities. Got it, Sugrita? Using the digits, we can form 9 different numbers. That is the meaning. Why are we not considering 5? Anyone can tell me why are we not considering 5? But what is the reason why we are not considering 5? 5-digit number. I mean 5-digit number. Yeah, more than 10,000 is not possible. For example, here 10,000 included also is given in the question, means we will add that 10,000. Other than that, we don't need to consider 10,000. Best question, people. Have a try over this. The timer starts now, and I'm pretty sure that most of you will get the answer, and many of you won't get the answer. And I think none of you will get the answer. That is also there with this question. One of the best question. But not more than is given the question. Okay. Not more than 10,000 is given. Ah, not more than 10,000 is 10,000 included. Can we form 10,000 using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? We will not be able to form. I already told, right? 10,000 can be formed only if 0 is also there. 0 is there here? Nope. That's why. Any answers? You can take 2 minutes for this question. கிடைச்சாச்சா? கிடைக்கலையா? Try பண்ணலாமா? Can we try? That's why I told you this is one of the best question from this chapter. So 2 more good questions are there that you will see anyway. Now people, everyone knows how a boat look like from top view. For example, drone is there. A drone is seeing the boat. So the top view of the boat will be like what? It will be like this, right? The boat top view will be like this. There will be places to sit. Okay. 8 odd boat means what, people? 8 people are doing this. You have seen, right? Yes, likewise they are doing it. So one person will be sitting in this place, another person will be sitting over here, another person sitting over here, another person sitting over here, then here, then here, then here, then here. Likewise 8 people are sitting and doing tititara tititi. Are you getting the point? Everyone is clear with the basic? 8 odd board means what? 8 people are doing this. Okay. Pakka. If that is not clear, first of all, many of you will go from that itself. You will not understand what is 8 odd board. Now everyone is clear with the 8 odd board part. Now, my question now. What is the 1 by 1 condition? We will check. In total, how many people will be there? 8 people. Now, if 8 people are not there, what will happen? Then it will be like revolution. Because of science, one side everyone is starting to do this. That means the entire boat will be going in the other side. Because of science. Okay, physics and all comes to the picture. So that means 8 people should be there in total, no matter what. Now, in how many ways a crew of an 8-odd boat be arranged so that 3 of them crew only in one stroke side? One stroke side means what? This is one stroke side. Similarly, this is another stroke side. Stroke side means entire line of people doing this in one side is coming under stroke side. Now people, 3 of them can only row in how many sides? In one stroke side. That means 3 of the people, let them be friends. All of them are friends. 3 of them are sitting in one stroke side. Either they will be arranged this way or they will be arranged which way? Can anyone tell me? Or they will be arranged this way or they will be arranged okay, one second. Or they will be arranged this way or they will be arranged what way? One more possibility is there, that is we will take this, this and this. Why? Because different peoples are there, right? How many vacant places are there in a stroke side? 4 vacant places. How many people are there in that place? 3 people. So 3 people are sitting in 4 places. Did you get the point? Are you getting the point? No. I'll come back again. In a stroke side, total 4 vacant places are there. Now the condition is what? 3 of them crew only on a stroke side. Only on a stroke side means 3 of them can sit in any of the 4 places. Are you getting my point? So that is the first condition. So they can sit in how many ways? 4p 3 ways. For example, these are the places currently they are sitting. 4p 3 ways. Everyone is clear with that? Anyone is having doubt over that? Is that the only condition? No. Next one is what is given? 2 row on the other side. 2 more people row on the other side. That means, and means what? We should always multiply. 2 row on the other side means how many vacant places are there in the other side? 4. How many people are there? 2 people are there. So it is 4p2. Now can we keep the rest of the places vacant? No, they also should sit. So 3 places, 3 people. So 3p3 ways that can be done, and we should multiply everything. Are you getting the point? Are you understanding? I will repeat from the beginning, people. Listen to me very carefully. It's a very good question. What is happening? First one, 3 of them can row only on one stroke side. In one stroke side, we can make a note of it. In one stroke side in this question 4 vacant places are there. 4 vacant places are there. So because of that, we will say that if 3 people can sit in how many ways? 4p3 ways. They can sit in 4p3 ways. And means multiplication. Now people, 2 of them row on the other side. 2 of them row on the other side means how many vacant places are there on the other side? 4 vacant places. How many ways they can sit? 4p2 ways into. Now people, 3 vacant places are there and 3 people are to be seated. How many ways they can be seated? 3p3 ways they can be seated. So answer is what? 4p3 is how much? 4 into 3 into 2. 4p2 is how much? 4 into 3. 3p3 is how much? 3 factorial. That is how much? 6. How much is the answer? 1728. I hope that everyone understood this question. If not also, please tell me. Understood, people? Is it clear for everyone? It's a very good question. High chance of repetition in the future. Okay, if you get a question again, you will be lucky. At least now you know what is an oarside and all. What if it was a 10-knot boat? 3p3. Yes, I can explain 3p3. Shruti, you think about it. For example, our blue boy is there. Then our violet boy is there. And our green boy is there. 3 people are there. Okay. They can be seated in the 3 places. 3 vacant places are there. How many ways they can be seated? 3 people are there. 3 vacant places are there. They can be seated in how many ways? 3p3 ways. Are you getting the point? That's how it became 3p3. Three remaining places are there. 3 people are there. So they should be seated in what way? 3p3 ways. That's how it is. What if it was 10 odd board? You will divide it into 5 each. What if it was 20 odd board? 10 each. Now, for the same question, can you think about 5 odd board? How will the formula looks like? 5p3 into 5p2 into how many are remaining? 5 are remaining. So, you will be taking it what the? That is 5p3, 5p5 will be remaining in the last place. That's how it is done. Okay, the same question can be changed into that manner. Now, people, one final thing before, yes, I can do that. Were you listening or you are not there, Sindhu? Fine. Now, this is our board, right? What is given? In how many ways a crew of 8 odd board can be arranged so that 3 of them can row only on one stroke side, 2 row on the other side. That is the given. Now, one stroke side has how many spaces now? How many vacant places? 4 vacant places are there in one stroke side. Now, they are telling 3 of them are rowing in one stroke side. How many ways they can be arranged? You tell me. 3 of them sitting in 4 places, or 4 places are there, 3 people are there. They can be arranged in how many ways? 4p3 ways. Okay, understood that? Everyone is that clear with everyone? Then, and. Whenever we are talking about and, we should take what the into sign. 2 of them row on the other side. 2 of them row on the other side means how many vacant places are there on the other side? 4 vacant places. How many people are there to sit there? 2 people are there to sit there. So you can write it as what? 4p2. And can you keep the remaining people vacant? The remaining seat vacant? It is not possible. So how many people are remaining? 8 people are there in total. 5 people already sat. How many people are remaining? 3 people are remaining. They can sit in how many places? 3 more places are remaining. So 3p3. That's how it became. Sindhu, you got it? So 4p3 is 4 into 3 into 2. 4p2 is 4 into 3. Then 3p3 is how much? 3 factorial, which is equal to how much? 1728. Perfect. Done. If so, another thing we are going to learn. It's a very interesting part, and many questions are from whatever we are going to learn next, because after this I think we don't have much. The chapter will get over very fast. This is the last major concept we are going to learn. Okay, yes, understood. Tell me the name before the break. If you want to break fast, tell me the name fast. Purna. Okay, yes. Purna is there. So my question is like this. I want to arrange the letters of the word Purna so that all the vowels are together. How many vowels are here, people? 3 vowels are there. So 3 vowels are together. I'll tell you the shortcut. So 3 vowels are there means 1, 2, 3 are there. That means I'll directly write 3 factorial into. Okay. In total, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus. People, what is 1 less than 3? 2. So I will write 3 factorial into 6 minus 2 factorial. This is the shortcut. But is there any repetition? O is repeated 2 times. So you should divide it with what? 2 factorial. Now I will teach you. You will understand it better with more example, because randomly seeing it for the first time and all, it's very difficult to understand. Tell me another name. Kale. Okay. Fine, right? This is correct, right? Spelling? Yes. I am going to tell that all the vowels should be together. How many vowels are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 factorial into. How many letters are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus. So, what is 1 less than 3? 2 factorial. Divided by. How many letters are repeated? A is repeated 2 times. Divided by 2 factorial. Now, tell me another name. If you want break fast, tell me fast. Srimati. Srimati. Okay. Spelling is correct? Hopefully. Now you tell me how many. I am going to tell that vowels should be together. How many vowels are there? I is there, A is there, I is there. So how many vowels are there, people? 3 vowels. 3 vowels should be together into. How many are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus. What is 1 less than 3? 2 factorial divided by. Any repetition is there, people? I is repeated how many times? 2 times. Anything else is repeated? That is the answer. 8 minus 2 is how much? 6. Now, one more question. Tell me another name. Dinesh. Okay, Dinesh. Here I am going to tell you vowels should be together. How many vowels are there? 2 vowels. So 2 factorial into. N is how much now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters are there in total. 6 minus what? 1 factorial. Any repetition is there? No. That means it is done over there. Are you getting my point? Now the question is the number of ways in which the letters of the word give me a letter. Letters of the word. Give me a word. Pravalika, give me a word. Number. Okay. N-U-M-B-E-R. Letters of the word numbers. I'll put S also. Such that all the vowels are together. All the vowels are together means how many vowels are here, people? 2 vowels. So I will write 2 factorial into. How many letters are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters are there in total. That means 7 minus 1 factorial. Anything is repeated over here, people? None of them are repeated. So you can write 2 into 6, 2 factorial into 6 factorial is your answer for the number of arrangement when 2 things are together. So that is what is written over here, people. When 2 items are taken as a single block or when 2 items are always together, the formula is what? 2 factorial into, you can write it the other way, whatever I wrote, 2 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. What if 3 items are together? You will write it as 3 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. What if 4 items are together? 4 items are together, you will write it as what? 4 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. Make a note of it. What if 10 things are together? 10 factorial into n minus 9 factorial. What if 1000 things are together? 1000 factorial into n minus 999 factorial. And I am telling you that this is the best trick you can have from permutation. Almost all the attempt, one question will be based on this. And usually what people do is they will use all the other formulas and go for the answer. They will take a lot of time to get the answer. Keep it in your mind. After the break, we will discuss this. Okay, people? Can we take the break? Everyone is ready for the break? Yes. Everyone come back by 10:34. Okay? Come back by 10:34.